All aboard! Train 98!
Welcome, Train 98, the Silver Meteor, direct service to New York City. I am your conductor, and I am Mr. Who. Enjoy your ride.
All aboard! Train 41!
Welcome to the 41 Floridian, direct service to Miami, the Magic City. I'll be your conductor, Mr. Who. Get a Coke, get something to eat, sit back, relax, and enjoy your trip to Miami, Florida. All right, beginning April, it's mating season for alligators. Be very cautious. This is the most aggravating time of the year for an alligator. Their patience is short, and they have a lot of characteristics in this time of year that they do not normally possess. They will growl and hiss at you. They will mate and seek out high grass to have their nest. You'll be walking around in high grass and not realize you're going to walk up on a 10-foot alligator. So you have to beware. Stay away from the edges of the water. Do not walk your dogs next to the edge of the water.
All aboard! All aboard! Train 97.
Welcome aboard Train 97, the Silver Meteor, direct service to Miami, Florida. Get yourself a Coke. Get yourself something to eat. Sit down, relax, and enjoy the Valley of the Blue Sunflowers. Have a great trip.
All aboard! All aboard! Train 40.
Welcome aboard 40 Floridian, direct service to Chicago, Illinois. I'm your conductor, and my name is Mr. Who. Enjoy your trip.